The Best of Jamaica 2020 Philadelphia Results Show. We asked and you responded. So here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Philadelphia for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
So we move to the brotherly love city of brotherly love, Philadelphia. And I must admit, apart from breaking down my truck once inside of Philadelphia, I've not had much experience. But so it would be important to see which one of these places. Oh, Golden Cross. Not this time. What's the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery in Philadelphia? And it is Flakes and Thing. Flakes and Thing.
Hold on, back up the little.
Hold on, yes.
Did you just say Flakes and you see him cause me say me no come from Jamaica? Flakes and Thing. Flakes and Ting.
Lord.
T-I-G, Ting.
Are you in African American studies? I don't know, because you gone. I don't think there was a patois course for me there. So what's your patois course?
Yes, I have to say
really?
shout out to Mrs. Cooper.
Yes,
I did do minor in Caribbean studies.
And patois
that's my minor.
And patois was it?
Listen, from you come from Jamaica, you see, him cuss me off the last time, say me I'm
Jamaican,
me a fraud Jamaican, and him come and say, oh, I'm Jamaican, and it is and thing.
So just for your sake, let me try it again. Let me break it off. It's Flakes and Ting.
Thank you.
So let me try that one more. The best local Jamaican patty shop or bakery is Flakes and Ting.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am. Moving right along. Where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? I think we can hold this at one. Golden Farm. Golden Farm is the best place in Philadelphia. And so we are happy that they have this going. And then we move right along. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And this is a first, Jody Ann, because we have two winners. Two winners are Ron's Caribbean Cafe and Quality Taste Jamaican Restaurant. Folks, so tell me, let me ask you a question. We're going to have a tiebreaker here. You may have to go find something for them, or we call Xavier and him need to find something for them. Or just to let you know, folks, the Rhythms Marketing is in the house, so they may be able to have a marketing something to them. But here's the deal, folks. If you're in Philadelphia and you see these results, it says we have two winners. It says two winners are Ron's Caribbean Cafe, and it says the other one is Quality Taste Jamaican Restaurant. Do me a favor, folks, if this is interactive, just text in and say, no, sir, me rather this one or that the one. But following Jody's African, Jamaican, or Caribbean Studies patois version, you have to get the prize. Listen careful, folks. You have to give us the answer in full patois.
Yes.
Yes. So we're moving right along.
No, but look how much charge people them for writing a patois. Him can't even talk in a patois. You know me can't bother go on.
Oh Lord. Hey, me have to try a comeback. Give me like now. Me have to try a comeback. Give me something, Jody.
All right. I'm gonna give it to you.
So the Jamaican Caribbean annual event you miss attending the most due to COVID-19, and it is the Philadelphia Caribbean Festival Cookout.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.